Today I'm gonna attempt to make a sourdough without having a peaked starter. Starter probably peaked like, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. And we're just gonna go with it because I don't feel like waiting for it to peak again. We're gonna start with 350 grams of warm filtered water. And then you're supposed to do 125 grams of active starter. Looks pretty active to me. It's floating, so I know it's active. So we are going to whisk this off the scale. Why? I don't know, because all the sourdough really say so. Oh, do you want to help me? Here you go. Whisk it up. Whisk it up, whisk it up. And we're going to get it all nice and frothy. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Get it, girl. We're going to add 525 grams of bread flour. And now we're going to add 10 grams of salt. Mix it all up. Get to a point where you feel like you're not getting all the flour incorporated. So that's when I just use my hands and mix it all up. Now that you have a shaggy dough, just put a towel on it. Some people use shower caps. And you're just gonna set it aside for an hour. Okay, so it's been an hour, still got a shaggy dough. We're gonna do some stretch and folds. I'm gonna wet my hand. All right, wet hand. Just gonna scoop, stretch, fold, scoop, stretch, fold. Do quarter turns while you do it. I do probably 8. If it starts picking up, that's fine. Actually, I'm gonna stop right here. We're getting a good stretch. We made a nice little dough ball. There we go. So now I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna put a towel over it, let it sit for 30-minute increments, and I'm gonna do that 3 times. So it's gonna sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna do stretch and folds, another 30 minutes stretch and folds, another 30 minutes stretch and folds. So 3 more rounds of stretch and folds, and then I'll come back. Okay, the last that we seen each other, we were doing stretch and folds. I finished those, and then I let it bulk ferment. So that means just letting it sit and do its thing for about 4 hours. It is now 11 o'clock at night. Just if you're wondering, if you want to start the sourdough journey, it's fantastic, but this is what your nights sometimes look like. So we're gonna take a look and see if it's ready. Let's take a look. Okay, so it's definitely doubled in size. There's 3 things that I look for. The first thing, are there some bubbles down here? There is, so that looks good. Is it jiggly? Yeah, it's pretty jiggly. And then if we touch it, is it sticky? We're good. I could probably let it sit just a little bit longer, but I'm ready to go to bed. This is my favorite part. Okay, awesome. There's still a little bit left on here. It's not a big deal. Just scrape it off, pop it on here. Okay, so we are gonna laminate it. I usually take this and make 2 mini loaves, but I want a big loaf tomorrow. We're gonna do M&Ms, and I know it's gonna bleed, but I think it'll be delicious. We're gonna take some of these Valentine's M&Ms and just, we're gonna put it here, flip it over, put some more down, flip it over, put some more down. A lot. Again, I know it's gonna bleed, but I think it'd be so good. Okay, I've put M&Ms all throughout it. Now we're going to roll it up. Some of your M&Ms might fall out, no big deal. I'm gonna pull it towards us. I am gonna put down just a little bit more flour. And we're gonna shape it. So I am gonna squeeze right here to make sure none of the M&Ms are falling out. Okay, and let's shape. So you wanna do like a candy cane motion. You wanna push and pull. You're gonna build tension. Push and pull. I'm trying to keep all the M&Ms on the inside. Pull, push, and pull. I don't want to overdo it because I kind of filled it up. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. We're going to get a Valentine, put it in here. Okay, it looks good. Now we're going to let it cold proof overnight. Put a towel on it, leave it in the fridge, wake up in the morning, we'll start baking it. Come back for part 2 because I'm running out of time, and we'll show you how we bake it up.